I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's have some great fresh fruit.
What do you want to get?
Well, I love oranges.
Those are good.
Apples.
Those are tasty.
Yeah. What about watermelon?
Watermelon? Yeah!
So pretend you have a great, big, beautiful, juicy piece of watermelon.
That's big!
It's so big we have to rock it a little bit.
Ooh.
Oof. And then stop and take a bite. Oh, so good, so juicy, it's so sweet, and I just love it. But the only problem is it just drips down your face. So can you all do this? How it drips. Blech. Try one more time. How it drips. Blech.
Can you try that one more time? I didn't hear you.
How it drips. Blech.
The bluch is the important part.
Now sometimes it's so juicy that the juice goes up and down your elbow. Try that. Up and down your elbow. And then, when we were kids, there were those little black seeds, those pits, and you had to spit them out. So for pretend, cup your hands and spit out the pits.
Patooey! Patooey! Patooey!
And then get rid of them. Okay, let's put it all together in a song. Get your watermelon ready. Here we go. Watermelon, watermelon, how it drips, bluch! How it drips, bluch! Up and down your elbow, up and down your elbow. Spit out the pits, patooey! Spit out the pits, patooey! One more time and watermelon, watermelon, how it drips, bluch! How it drips, bluch! Up and down your elbow, up and down your elbow. Spit out the pits, patooey! Spit out the pits, patooey!
Ah, my hands are so sticky.
Mine too. Better wash our hands.
Turn on the faucets. Wait a minute, we forgot something. What should we put? Soap, they're right.
Furt. Bye-bye, germies. Bye-bye, germies. Bye-bye, germies. You're going down the drain. One more time. Bye-bye, germies.
Get the top.
Bye-bye, germies. 20 seconds. Bye-bye, germies. You're going down the drain. Shh. Turn off the water.
I didn't bring a towel, though, Beth. I forgot to bring one. Wherever you...
Sorry.